Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to create Opencart website, a popular e-commerce platform. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just getting started with online selling, creating an account is the first step to setting up your online store. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to Opencart website. You can do this by typing Opencart into the address bar. Then click on the first link that appears. Then on the top right corner, there's a register button. Let's click on that. Now it'll take you to the registration page. Now you have to fill the information. Type your username, your first name, last name, email address, password, and country. Then solve the security question. Then click register. Now they'll send you a confirmation email. Now open Gmail. So let's do that. Now open the email, and in the email, click on verify. So as you can see, we've successfully registered. And that's it for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.